Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're back on the 59 again. And you might notice the exhaust pipe hanging low there. Well, there's a couple reasons for that exhaust pipe hanging low there. The main reason is because we finally got an exhaust system for the car. So this just came from Shafers Industries. I think that's the name of it, via Summit Racing. And I got the exhaust hangers up on there last Friday, so they fit exactly like the stock ones do. You've got one here, and then going up the, well, it's kind of hard to see, going up here on the axle. There's one way up there. I'll try to get a better shot. And then we got a couple here. I got one here, one here. Nice complete dual exhaust system. And then we'll get rid of these two mufflers and the downpipes. We've got new downpipes too. Another thing that was giving me trouble was the starter. So I've got the starter out of the car, and believe it or not, you've got to take the exhaust pipe down to get the starter out anyway. So we've got a new starter sitting over here on the bench. The old one was it was going really slow. So we got a new starter from Napa Auto Parts, and the old I already took the old starter back. The gear over here was really chewed up bad on the corners, and it was partially sticking out a little bit. So anyway, hopefully we got a good starter there. So got a lot to finish up here. I need one more adjustment on the column shift. I can get first, second, really good. Reverse is good. And going into third gear, I just need to pull down just a little bit more. I'm not sure what that exactly means yet. I might be able to adjust the shaft down a little bit more, or I may have to change mounting point. So I'm not quite sure on that, and it's really hard to show you on video. So we'll stick to the exhaust system on this video. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing in the hardware kit here. So I've got new mounting brackets here, new donuts, and I don't know if I said it was Shafers Classic Reproductions in Tampa, Florida. So far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing, and I'm starting to get it laid out here, and we'll start. First, I gotta get the starter in. Very good. Uncle Larry stopped over today, and he helped me get things started. Got the starter back in here. All right, so we got the starter in there. It's got one bolt from behind here, and then it's got two bolts from this way, and then of course you got the wires. So we got the new pipes started. Back up here. Got the new pipes started with all three, and then we'll finish up with the system tomorrow. All right. And then I got my, look at this X-frame. Just look at it. All right, very good. All right, let me show you one thing you're gonna have to do to get this exhaust on right that I suggest is, look at these big honking tires. They just barely clear the pipe. I mean, barely. So one of the hangers you have is up here in the wheel well. So you're going to have to take the tire off to get to it. I suppose you might be able to get to it. And then you got a clamp that goes here. For some reason, this passenger side's fitting a lot better. But let me get that clamp on there, okay? And then I'll show you what I mean later. All right, now I got this clamp tightened up, and got a clamp right here. And then you got a clamp on the back end here, okay? See all the clamps. And then I've got my exhaust pipe set just a little bit down. See, I've got a gap there. Maybe could come down a skosh more, but we'll see how this lines up when I get the tire back on. I'm not gonna kid you, this exhaust system is challenging to put on. And it's probably because I don't work on exhaust systems every day. But as you can see, one of the things you got to worry about is you got to turn this pipe enough so that you can still get your oil filter off. So you need to start good there. And then coming back through here, Went very well all the way around here. Okay, then I had a pinch point right here, and I think I got enough clearance there now. I can see through it. And then your next pinch point, because of these extra wide tires, is actually hitting the tire. You got to be careful there. So I got it pretty darn good. Okay, that exhaust clamp is behind the tire, so that's not an issue. But this side was the most challenging. This side just went right in like butter. I mean, I've got good tire clearance, and my clearance going to this point right here is really nice. And then, of course, we don't have anything to worry about. I guess this little pipe you got to worry about. I don't know what that is. I think it's... But anyway, we got her. The kit didn't come with these 2.5-inch clamps. Had to go buy those. But probably should be welded there anyway. So, anyway, lay down here and take a look at this exhaust system. All right, so there you go. There's the 1959 Impala exhaust system. If you had a 2-post lift, this would be a lot easier job. 4-post lift, it's a pain in the ass. There you go. There's the sweet new tone of the 59 Impala. Got a little bit of valve train noise you might be able to hear, but... And I really want to take a test drive, but I don't think I'm going anywhere soon. Look at the rain. Much needed rain, but I don't know. Not going to take any nice cars out in this. This is more my truck weather over there. So anyway, Mark Meldrum's Monster Garage, 59 Impala exhaust system complete. Sounds good. Oh, this car's coming to an end. Thank God. Just some test drives and work out some kinks. See ya.